Oh my goodness! If that reminds you of Aunt Bethany's lime jello, we are going to be making something like that today. Today is day 4 of our adventure. This is what we're going to need. You need a bowl, a Tupperware bowl. I hope you like it. It also has the little decorative Christmas feature. You can find these still, I'm sure. It holds a capacity of 4 cups. Now, this is a suggestion just to make it pretty. If you haven't got a little jar of maraschino cherries yet, maybe that's one more thing to add on your list. I'm going to put a few of those on the bottom of this. And for that little crunchy effect, that mysterious je ne sais quoi moment when you realize this is not your usual lime jello, I'm going to break up a wholesome granola bar. Last, the piece de resistance when you serve this, a few little candied raisins. These are chocolate raisins. I've always known these as glosette raisins, but they make for a fun little haha moment. Okay, so I've got my eggnog. Take a little sip here, and we'll get right into the festive spirit. Cheers. I have got to get some shopping done, groceries, and I'm sure you do too, so I'm cutting it short to the chase today. It's a regular lime jello, 2 cups cold water, 2 cups hot water, to that effect. On a last note, the kettle's almost boiled. If you follow the Women's Hockey League, the New York Sirens are playing the Montreal Victoire, and the Minnesota Frost are playing the Boston Fleet. So that's going to be really exciting. 4 teams out of the 6. It's going to be great. So you're going to need a snack. This is so easy. What can go wrong making Aunt Bethany's Christmas lime jello? Oh, by the way, I hope you like it. I got this nice little Christmas air freshener the other day while I was shopping. And the fragrance is called North Pole Hideaway. It's really beautiful. It has a lovely scent in here. Maraschino cherries, 10 of them, right around the Christmas tree. If you want to do something Canadian, you could add bacon bits. You know, no one will object. Now I'm going to add the lime jello. Put this in the fridge, let it chill up a bit, and then while it's still a little tacky or sticky, I'll sprinkle some granola crumbs on it just for the crunchy effect, and then it's done. Now, while we're waiting for the lime jello to finish, it's time for adventure time. Let's find where December 4 is. Oh yes, I have it right there. December 4. Okay, make a wish with me. Let's think of... Okay, there it is. Okay, I got it. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a little cute bear again. Oh, how sweet. And he's wearing jammies or something. Oh, how cute. He's like a little Pooh Bear. And you know how I like Winnie the Pooh. Oh, look, he's got little jammies on. You see that? And he's got a little happy smile. Oh, boy. Wow. This is one of 3 of the milk chocolate teddies with double milk filling. Oh, wow. This is going to be good. And you know how I like to taste these. The last one was just out of this world. There's a little wrapper. Okay, I'll tell you how this tastes. Oh, it smells so good. That's good. That's that nice, beautiful feeling again. Mm. If you have never had an advent calendar before, maybe that might be something you want to try in the future, or share with your own family. Just have one calendar and share it all together. Or make your own advent calendar and spend time together. That's a beautiful chocolate. They're so good. If you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up. Better yet, put something in the comments that you are enjoying most about our adventure time. We are still waiting for that Jello to finish up in the fridge. So this is a dandy time to also remind you, if you like my channel so far and you really, really like it, maybe consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next thing. Thank you. Well, there it is, Aunt Bethany's lime Jello. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked today's video. Now, if you missed yesterday's, you might want to click here for December 3. Until next time, do take care and au revoir.